Alright, so those of you that watched my last video, I went ahead and off camera got everything put together. Radiators all put in, motors put back in, everything's pretty much ready to go. Can't think of anything that I've missed or forgot to do. It's got coolant in it now. She should be good. I'm gonna go ahead and try to fire her up. All right, started right up first fucking try. Fucking, that's great. It was leaking. At first it was leaking down there. Whenever I pumped it right here. Started shooting out, had to go down there and tighten it up, but actually sounds pretty good. Smoking out the side. A little bit might be some oil. On the manifold right there. Need to adjust. That's as high as it gets right there. Idling a little high, might have to do some tinkering with it. But yeah, she's almost ready. Not too bad. God damn. Oh yeah. Guys, stay tuned. I will be making more videos. Hopefully I can do away with these here tires and dumb rims. They're fucking hideous. We might have a lift kit inside that shed. I don't know. It might be in there. See if it's getting. Ain't running warm or nothing. That's good. Whew. Checking there. Not too fucking bad, man.